Hi everyone, it's Darak on behalf of Yipun, and today I would like to announce a free giveaway. Yipun is giving away a $25 gift card to H&M, so anybody who participates in this contest has a chance to win this gift card. All you have to do is follow the rules, which are number 1, like our Facebook page, and number 2, share our gift card promo onto your wall, onto your Facebook wall. It should be on our wall, and if you can't find it, you can look into our albums, which is in the contest album. There will be a gift card promo image there, and on the bottom of the image you can click the share button. And so you must share directly from our image, or else we will not be able to track all of the participants. And so make sure you do it correctly, and if you have any questions, just let us know. If you want to learn more about our story, or if you want to learn more about Team Bangkok, you can head over onto our website at shopyipun.com. You can also check out Team Bangkok's Facebook page.